Good evening, everybody. We are Wednesday, March 11th, 5 p.m. Today in this live, we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective, what has been happening today, and we are seeing some interesting moves. We are getting outside of some patterns, so things are starting one candle, one day to get interesting. We are going to take a look at the VIX, the fear factor of the stock market. We are going to take a look at the stock indices, how good or badly are they doing. We are going to take a look at gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So all good stuff. Let's start. So Tesla closed at 407.82. We are up $8 and 58 cents, 2.15%. And if we compare that to Dow Jones down 61%, SPX pretty much even Steven 0.08%. Tesla is outperforming the stock indices at least today. Let's go into a bit more details. So this is the current pattern we are in with Tesla. So Tesla is going down. We are into a downward channel. Or are we? Or are we? So this is the downward channel that we were following. You know, it started at the peak just before Christmas, December 22nd of last year. And basically, this is guiding the price of Tesla stock. It has been guiding it for, what, 3 months? 3 months guiding it. So Tesla was into a downtrend. It was into a downtrend. It would cave into these resistance lines. Except today. What happened today is that we are breaking outside. This is the downward trend. Today, boom, we are breaking outside. So this is, let me make sure that the live is doing okay. I see a resolution. Okay, so I'm using too much resolution. So tell me if you are seeing things right. So YouTube is telling me it cannot handle 4K. So tell me if you are seeing this correctly with a thumbs up, please. I'm just going to wait a bit. If it's fine, we are just going to continue. If you see it fine. Anybody? We have 19 viewers right now, so anybody? Or you can enter a comment. Yes, we are seeing this fine. Okay, we have a pink hand waving, 27. Okay, so we are seeing this right. Okay, YouTube is YouTube is crap. YouTube is crap. So okay, so let's continue. So we were into this downward channel, except what's happening today is that we are closing we are closing outside of it. So we are no longer into this downward channel. So this is good news. So for 3 months, Tesla's been going down as a trend. And right now we are outside of this trend. The trend started, you know, if I want to be precise, the trend used to be right here. The bearish trend used to be here, and we used to zigzag. And then, whoops, in February, we started to go a little bit further out. But then we started to cave in to that new resistance. Now we are breaking outside of it one more time. Yes, it's possible that we start to cave into that new downward resistance, bearish channel. These are all synonyms. Yes, it's possible that this happens. So this is why we don't necessarily jump in and buy when the stock gets outside of a downward trend. We are looking at it more closely, a lot more closely, but we are also making sure that we don't get caught into a horizontal congestion zone. A horizontal congestion zone, and that would be right here, 382.82 at the bottom. This is as low as we went in November of last year. Didn't go lower. we went just that low and launched from that. So this is the same point where we were in November. And the upper band of the congestion zone is 410.25 right here. 410.25, and guess what? It was the congestion zone also in November. So you see how history is repeating itself. The same congestion zone is exactly the same one that's in play right here. I cannot make this up. I cannot make, I cannot force Tesla stock to touch this 382.82. This was the low in November. I cannot say to Tesla stock, okay, you are going to get back exactly to that number. I cannot do that. It's not 380. It's not 385. Those round numbers always sound good, but it's 382.82. Voila. So right now we are outside of the downward trend. We are now into the congestion zone area. We could be zigzagging for a while here. We could be zigzagging. This is what stocks do. They go down, and then they start to go sideways. Tesla was going down right here. It was going down, and then it went outside, and this was the congestion zone. At that point, it went super fast before it zigzagged a few times. This was a strong market. Right now, we are at war with Iran. So, things are not business as usual. So what we could be expecting is that we could be expecting Tesla stock to go sideways for some amount of time. And then at some point, it will either decide to go lower, 382.82, or go higher. It will decide to do this. So okay, so you are telling me that the screen seems to be frozen. So I only have my yes. I'm adding drawings. Okay, so YouTube was really telling me that I needed to change the resolution. So okay, guess what? So what I am painting is important. We are only starting. We have gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum to take a look at. Are they breaking a similar trend? We need to look at the stock indices also. So because we are having a problem, I'm going to shut down this live and I'm going to do another one. So subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do another live in 1 minute and I'm going to fix the resolution thing and we can start again. So be there in 1 minute.